Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm here on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Okay, I've been a part of this program and an affiliate of this program for 3 years. It's been around about 7 years solid. Today, I just want to go over the compensation plan with you. I'm going to let you take time to go and research it a little further, but I want to do this specifically for the comp plan, okay? It is a direct mail program in which you can mail postcards, and you can market it online too. But let me do that today. And if you're not familiar with it, click the link below, go through my funnel, and you can watch the video on the program. But I want to just go over this real quick. I'm going to flip over real quick to the comp plan. This is on the website, okay? Hold on 1 second. Let me switch over. All right, we're going to touch Easy Profit 100's comp plan real quick. Excuse me. This is on the website, okay? So you can go check it out. This is what they call a reverse two-up. You've heard of, and if you haven't, most of the plans out there or the compensation plans are one-ups, okay? Normally you have to pass one sale up to be qualified to move forward to start receiving the commissions. With this program, you pass up 2 sales, so you basically double your commissions with this program. So it's way more powerful than a one-up. Okay, so with Easy Profit 100, you're going to pass up your 2nd and 4th sale. Everyone does that. Okay, this is what give you leverage in the program. We don't have levels. Okay, we have just a horizontal pay line. So as you can see on the screen, your 2nd and your 4th. So your 1st sale you keep, your 2nd sale passes up, your 3rd sale you keep, your 4th sale passes up. Okay? So this is the power, the leverage of 2. Okay, the power of 2, unlimited growth. So I just want to go over that real quick with you. So you can see the magnitude and the potential. This is not a guarantee of income. This is basically an illustration of the program that I'm presenting to you to show you how the comp plan works and the potential that you can make with it. Okay, it's powerful. Now, as I just explained, the first one goes up, second one, first one you keep, the second one goes up, the third one you keep, the 4th one goes up. As you can see right here. So what they did is they did a example of 10. So if you signed up 10 people, 2 go up, so you keep 8. So you made $800 right here, right? You made $800. Now, each of those 8 owe you 2, right? So 2 times 8 is 6. 16 times 100 is the commission. So as you can see right here, that's 1,600 right there off of 8 people. Not bad, right? Now, just think, those 8 each of those 8 people owe you 2. And see how it just goes up from there? Now it's doubled to 3,200. And then those people have to pass up 2. And see, then it goes up to 6,400. You see how this goes? They pass up 2, that passes up 2, that passes up 2, that passes up 2. So the potential is magnificent. Okay, with the $149 investment, you can turn this into a full-time income. Or if you're just looking for an additional income stream, this is perfect for you as well. Either way, or just part-time, guys. Either way, wherever it is, you fit in to this equation. It doesn't matter. Okay? So, for $149, this is the potential that you can make. Okay? So, they're just giving you an illustration, again, of 10 people. 2 passes up, 8 ends up being 1,600 once those 2, each of those 8 pass up 2, and then they pass up 2, and they pass up 2. So you see, this is powerful. And it just keeps drilling down that way. Okay, and then that will double as well, so until infinity. So, they pay weekly. Commissions is paid out weekly. They send a check. That's really the only way you get paid. There's no PayPal, any of that. They actually cut you a check, which is great. I like that. And that's how you get paid, guys. So this is, don't sleep on this program thinking, oh, it's just $100. These $100 can add up to thousands, okay? So how much is it? $149 one time to get started. Okay, that's it. $149 to get started. You get this website that I'm looking at. You're gonna get the same thing. Call this number. Listen to this 24-hour number. You'll hear the owner explain it to you as well. Okay. It's a direct mail program. Okay, but since you have a website, you can also market it offline. So it doesn't matter who you mail the cards to. If they have a computer, they'll be able to go to your website that's on the card. If they don't, they'll mail the card back in. Okay, they'll mail the card back in, and then the owner, they will send out a packet to them. And if they mail it back with your card, then you get paid that $100. Okay, this is only in the U.S. Okay, only in the U.S., guys, because even if you market it online, they're gonna have to mail you a check, and the checks aren't gonna go outside the U.S. Okay, and you will get a 1099 for this at the end of the year. Okay, not available in South Dakota. Okay, you're gonna get 120 leads. I'm just letting you know. 120 leads with this when you join as well. And you're going to order your postcards separately. But I just want to go back up to this because I want you guys to really understand this reverse 2-up. It is powerful. If you would just stick with this, guys, mail those cards consistently and switch your leads up. If you have questions about your mailing list, give me a call if you're already with me. If you're already in the program with me and joined on my team, call me and I'll give you some other resources because you want to switch them up. I switch them up like every month, change them out. Okay? Change your list out because think about it. People move, all kind of things happen, but switch them out. Keep getting fresh leads and you just mail consistently and mail according to your budget. Okay? Don't worry about, well, how many should I mail? I can't tell you that because I don't know what your budget is. But pick a budget that is going to work for you and your family. And just do it consistently and it will pay off. And switch those leads up. Okay. So as you can see here, this is a powerful plan. The 2-up is very powerful. Okay. Because I don't think a lot of people understand it. They just see, yeah, you make 100, you make 100. No, you're going to get those second and fourth from everybody. Everybody. So the more people you get signed up, the greater. Because like they gave you an illustration of 10 people turn into 1,600. Okay. But it can go deeper. Okay. So look at this program. Go back. Go in my funnel. We'll put the link below. Watch the video presentation. It's real simple. It's not complicated. So don't complicate this. Okay. Not at all. And listen to this number. And call me after you've watched the video. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. But otherwise, guys, get started. Invest $149 in yourself, into you a home business. Okay, order your cards and get to work. And you're in business. Okay, and you can track your sales because you get a back office with this too. So you're going to get a back office that you can log in. You can see the names of the people, addresses. So you'll know who joined you. You can track your commissions. You can see when your commissions are going to be paid out. You're going to receive an email also every time someone joins you. So you're not going to be left in the dark. You're going to know exactly what's going on with your business. But it's a simple business. Don't complicate it. Okay? So, there you have it. Easy Profit Run 100 Reverse 2-Up Comp Plan. Very powerful for $149 investment. Okay? So, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification button, the red button there, so that you can get my get a notification when I upload videos. And you can check out my new videos when they come out. Okay? So, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the inside. If you have questions, call me after you have watched the video. I'll be happy to answer them. I do work from home full time. This is what I do. So I'm here at your disposal. All right. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a blessed day.